Hey, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. It's Monday the 6th of the 2nd, 23. So we back to work today after a great day yesterday over at Broadford. It was the Harley Club Come and Try Day, and they specialise in dirt track for all ages. There were more 50cc mini bikes I've ever seen over there, and I'm not sure how young the kids were, probably 4 or 5 upwards, and my father had a ride. He's in his 70s, so it was a good range of people over there. Lots of female riders, lots of fast riders, lots of novice, but I would recommend this to anybody who's interested. They are unreal. They really made you feel welcome, well organised. Canteen was open, get to use all the facilities. It was a very cheap day, I thought. I didn't think they charged much at all. We just got a day licence and got the ride. It was $50, so that was very cheap. And we had a great time. The Yamaha stopped. She had the key on the flywheel, but she's up and running again. Dad sent me a message today and said she's going again. The Velo didn't go too bad. Like, it went really well, actually. We lost the end off a cable on the clutch cable, so we sorted that out. And I had to stay from the top of the frame down to the head, which I made out of aluminium, and at the time I thought might have been a bit sturdy with no flex, and it did break, so we took that off. So it did vibrate a bit, but didn't manage to crack anything else, so it's all good. But I won't bore you with any more of this. I'll let you have a look at the footage and we'll go from there. Thanks. So there were only 3 sliders there for the weekend, for Sunday. So it was myself and my father on the Hagons, with the only 2 Hagons there. And Brett Jeffries, he has a GM long track, which he's letting Taylor Street ride. Brett's doing a great job helping her out, and she's doing a great job riding it. The videos prove that. You'll see those. She's amazing, and so is Brett. He's doing a great job to help her out, supporting the sport, and we all really appreciate it. Worth all the work?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I don't want to ride that 2-stroke thing again.
Don't like it?
No, this can go.
With the two-stroke thing doesn't seem to go long enough anyway.
No, this is the game.
A bit unreliable.
Beautiful to ride.
Yep.
Controllable power. It's really nice.
What do you think of the gearbox?
The gearbox is slow, but it works fine.
Yeah, it's slow, but it does work.
It does.
Doesn't it?
Yep. It's an easy bike to ride.
There's Russ. I told you Russ would be here, but he left his bike at home. So, but he'll be here at Easter with all of us, having a bit of fun.
I definitely will.
And even if we don't have a ride, we might drink a lot of beer this year. We'll see how we go.
I can handle that.
Right, I'd like to thank Russell Owen for a few videos. He's helped us out. Took a lot of photos while he was there. We'll get more of those in the future. Russ's bike wasn't quite ready, but he'll definitely be there over Easter for Broadford. I'd like to thank Ben Mundy for a few photos, and he had his son Barry there. And Barry's only a little tacker. He was riding very well, and I probably think it's about time his grandfather Ken got him a new bike, I think. So I think it'd be a good idea if Ken coughed up a few bucks to give him a hand, because I think he's a bit of a talent. And look, if you guys like what you're seeing, like and subscribe, and I'll try and get another video out in the next 7 days. Thank you.